Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. So look at this, here is the game Urban Jungle. This one is doing quite well. It came out about a month ago and has about 290 reviews. So using the formula that I covered in a previous video, we can make some estimations. And using those estimations, we can guess that this game made probably around $150,000. That is an awesome amount, that's a huge success. So I want to say really congratulations to the dev, that is great. And this is also a great story that makes me personally happy. Because for this story, the reality is dev followed my free course and then made 150k. This developer started learning game dev by watching my free Kitchen Chaos course. It's a massive course, over 10 hours long, covers all kinds of things, perfect for complete beginners and even people with some experience. The course covers absolutely everything from creating a brand new empty project all the way until the final polished game. This is really my most successful video of all time, it has over 3 million views. And on this one, like I wrote here, many devs have learned a lot from that course, and one dev specifically started from there and has now just published their game on Steam, Urban Jungle, which had a very successful launch with about 11,000 copies sold and 150,000 in revenue. That is really awesome. The game is really gorgeous, I absolutely love the art. It is definitely the perfect cozy game. There's a lot of people that really like playing these cozy games and this one perfectly fits that genre. So here you basically place all kinds of objects, so you turn an ordinary basic home into something luscious with lots of greenery everywhere. And again, the whole thing looks absolutely stunning. And the reason as to why I know that the dev followed my course and then made this game is because the dev herself wrote about it. So like I wrote here, I first wrote about this game a few months ago in another game dev report. So back then, this is how the developer wrote about how they learned from watching my video and then got a 100k wishlist. So this one definitely had a very strong wishlist amount, which then led to a very strong release. Dev talks about how they started from absolutely no knowledge and spent 2 months studying my course. Then they also wrote about their wishlist journey and everything they did to get up to 93k wishlist before release. Here's the original post, posted 1 year ago. So I watched Code Monkey's 10-hour Unity tutorial and now making a game with 7,000 wishlists. So long story short, I was a complete beginner at programming just last year. I'm a 2D animator artist working for mobile games, and I watched Code Monkey's magnum opus and finished it step by step in 2 months. Then I started making classic game clones and releasing them on itch. My husband and friends encouraged me to start something bigger, and here I am planning to release my first ever game on Steam at the end of summer 24. Which yeah, it's kind of funny seeing this date. The game only just came out, which only just came out in May of 25. So yeah, scope creep and being bad with estimates, that seems to be a standard thing with game developers. Even myself, with all my experience, when I think that a game is going to come out on this date, usually it goes pretty much double beyond that. But anyway, so back then, right now, my Urban Jungle game has reached 7,000 wishlists. That's an awesome amount. I've released a demo, 4k people played it. Even publishers email me. Code Monkey's tutorial is life-changing, I can guarantee it now. So yeah, this is awesome. You can imagine how I love reading this, how I love reading about people learning all kinds of things from my videos, and then find tons of success, gain quite a lot of knowledge. I love hearing about this, it's so awesome. The dev also had this great post talking about their experience, how to get 93,000 wishlists with $0 on marketing. So yep, name is Maria, one of the 3 devs working on Urban Jungle, and here are all the various things. If your game is cute, translate to Japanese, festivals work very well, networking is key, and 1 demo is not enough. So if you want some practical tips, I highly recommend you go and read through this entire post. Back to what I wrote here, so massive congrats to this dev on this very successful journey. And if you are also learning from my tutorials and courses, then I really hope you'll learn a lot and manage to also find the success you're looking for. Personally, I love it when people learn from my tutorials and then go on to make complete games and find tons of success. Another recent example was one dev that took my toolkit and studied on the code to make a nice simulator game. So yep, this is another interesting post. This dev was working on Unreal for 10 years and wanted to jump into Unity. Then he went through a bunch of my course and videos, then bought my Code Monkey toolkit and used to reverse engineer it. That is really awesome. That is a great way to learn. If you've never tried it, I recommend you do. Look at some assets, some kind of finished tool and so on. And as long as it has the source code available, which most things on the asset store do, you can read through it in order to learn how the whole thing works. So over here, this dev did exactly that. This taught me how powerful clean code can be, which again is another thing that I love to read. Personally, I'm a big believer in clean code and I love it when people also see the value in it. So this dev reverse engineered the toolkit, and in there I included a simple simulator game, and basically they just use that to make their own simulator game. Another example of a game is Tabletop Tavern. This one is being developed by TJ. And TJ also started working on this project by going through my DOTS course. Right now, the game has about 12,000 wishlists. So I think this one will do really great when it finally releases. Another example was Rusty's Retirement. This was an insane mega hit from last year. This one got 11,000 reviews. So this one literally made millions of dollars. And for this one, the developer also said how the original game idea, the original prototype, came from my tutorial showing you how to make a transparent Unity window. So yeah, this is a really fun topic. Like I said, I really love seeing these stories. I really love it when you go through my content, my videos, my courses, whatever it is, you will gain a ton of knowledge, and then use that knowledge to make something awesome yourself. I really love seeing this, so yeah, congrats to all devs who have found tons of success. I plan to keep making videos and courses pretty much until the end of time, So I look forward to hearing from you how you've learned a lot from my videos and how you made your own games and found tons of success. So if you haven't yet gone through my free Catching Chaos course, then go ahead and do that right now. It's a great beginner/intermediate course. Alternatively, if you want to make multiplayer games, check out my free course on making a really nice tic-tac-toe game. Or if you want to focus on the language itself, go through my C# course. There's a free version over here on YouTube with all of the video lectures, all completely for free. Or if you can't afford it, you can grab the premium version, which has some really awesome bonuses. In fact, right now I'm actually working on another update for that C# course. I'm going to be adding some really nice beginner level projects. These are simple projects that you should be able to build yourself if you understand everything in the beginner section of the course. My goal of that course is very much to help you learn by doing. So these beginner projects should be quite a lot of fun. Stay tuned for 1 or 2 of those on the free version, and the rest on the premium version. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.